Hello everyone, thank you for watching NVIDIA World videos. So this is our next video in PFCG part 4, creating composite roles. In the last video we have learned about creating a role. Okay, so we have given a suitable role name, okay, and we have said choosing this option, create role. Now we go to this option, create composite role. So you enter a role name in the role field in the role maintenance transaction PFCG. The SAP system does not distinguish between the names of simple and composite roles. Okay, so it's not the system, like system cannot distinguish between a single role and a composite role. So SAP does not have any naming convention as such for a single role and a composite role. Okay, so we have to put a naming convention in our project, saying like all single roles they start with Z and all composite roles they start with Y. Okay, it's up to our wish. So it's a best practice to put some naming convention for single roles and composite roles. Okay, now you have given some name here and you go to this option, create composite role. You should adopt your own naming convention to distinguish between simple and composite roles. Now choose create collective role. Okay, this one, create composite role. You can define the composite role in the following screen. Okay, so this is how you go to this option. Okay, now you save your entries, you enter the role in the composite role in the roles tab page. You can display all the simple roles in the system with possible entries help. You cannot include composite roles in a composite role. Okay, so now once you go to this option, create composite roles. Okay, so there what you do, first you enter all the single roles in the role tab page. So you enter like what all composite role is nothing but it's a collection of single roles. Okay, so you will enter all your single roles which you want to have in this composite role. Okay, and the thing which we have to remember here is we can't include a composite role in a composite role. Okay, so composite role is collection of only single roles. A composite role cannot be included in a composite role. Okay, you can restructure the role menus which you read in the read menu in the menu tab. This does not affect the menus of the roles. Note also the information about the menus of the composite roles provided if you choose information on menu tab page. Okay, so you can we'll have different tabs like menu tab also will have. So there if you want to change anything you can change it, but if you change here this will not affect the single roles. Okay, this will only affect this menu tab will only affect this composite role. Now either enter the names of the users individually in the users tab, okay, or choose selection. You can define selection criteria such you can put all user groups also. If you select the username and choose display, detailed user information is displayed. So choose compare users, the user data is updated after the comparison. Note that users which are assigned to a composite role are displayed on a gray background in its roles. The user assignment should only be changed in the composite role. You can display an overview of roles in composite roles with the view push button in the role maintenance initial screen. So here we have to take care only about three things: the role menu, the users to which the composite role has to be assigned, and what are the single roles in which the composite role contains. Okay, for a single role, if you remember in the last video while creating single roles, what we have learned is we have defined the user menu, then we have selected the authorizations, and we have generated a profile, and then we have assigned the users. Right, so in this composite role what we do here also, we have a menu tab, user menu tab. So there you can change certain things. Okay, so this will affect only the composite role, not the single role. Okay, next we'll give all the single roles which are to be combined in this composite role, and the last one is the users which are to be assigned for this role. Okay, so here also you can do the user comparison. Okay, this is very simple. Creating a simple role is only difficult because you have to choose the authorizations carefully, assign the activities, and then generate a profile. Okay, that is a bit complicated. However, creating a composite role is very easy. It's nothing but just give the users which are to be included in the role. You select the user the menu tab, and then you just give the names of the single roles, the simple roles which are to be included in this composite role. It's as simple as that. Okay, so you take a proper naming convention, okay, which has to be differentiated between the single role and the composite role. So in PFCG, create role means creating simple role, create composite role means this creates the composite role or a collective role. Okay, so this is nothing but it's a very short video about creating composite roles in PFCG. Keep watching the other videos as well. So in the next video, we learn about how to distribute and transport roles in PFCG. Thank you.